It's cough syrup. Let's have some kind of cherry taste.
Yeah, it's cherry. Just don't look at it, just take it.
You know what this fucking looks like?
Don't look at it, take it.
Oh. Oh my god, what is this? Oh god.
That one's even worse.
Dude, this is like I took vapor rub. Like,
basically, it's a liquid form.
oh.
You gotta take one more.
I can't take one more of this.
I just took
die,
two.
man.
I just took two.
Glycerin liquid? I thought they were just fucking on a commercial.
No. But it works. Tastes awful. I can't even look. Remember the schnapps there?
Oh, fuck me.
That's hilarious.
What the fuck?